Hello viewers, Charlie here, the apprentice. We're going to be showing you how to make some 10 out of 10 quality mortar, or cement, or muck, or compo, or whatever you want to call it. So, Rowan, if you want to come with me, we're only doing a wee 3/4 mix, so there's only 5 sand, normally you have 10. Cement already opened, plaster sizer, mortar sizer, or feb, whatever you want to call it. Always normally put this in first, so get a nice little splashing of that. I eyeball it, but we do have a cup somewhere. I don't know where the cup is. Usually half a cup. You see it, bubbles up, and that's what makes the mortar nice and loose and gives it that plasticity. Easier to work with. Sand in. Don't put it all in at once, because what will happen is 9 times out of 10 it'll all stick to the back, and then you have to try and get your shovel in or try and get it back, and it's just a nuisance really. I normally go 2 buckets of sand, a 1/4 bag of cement, another bucket of sand. Make sure you're throwing it to the back as well, and keep that nice turn. See the way it's like getting to a certain point and then just falling? That's what you want. Another bucket of sand, bit more cement, half bag this time. Keeping the place nice and tidy. Keeping a bag of bags so you don't have a bag of cement blowing about everywhere. And then you get shit of that. Tiny bit more plaster sizer just to get the mix flowing a little bit. And then I'll leave that for about 5 minutes and let it mix and come back, and it should just be like ice cream. Perfect, ready to use. Now we'll play the waiting game and do the wee transition thing with the 5 minutes later. And finally the last bucket of sand goes in just before it's ready. Throwing it always to the same side, the side that it falls on, to keep the mixer nice and clean. A good bricklayer always keeps his trowel on him. Scrape off any excess, throw it back in, and that's it. It took me about 5 weeks to learn how to make that properly.
A few moments later.
As you can see, viewers, that's ready. Like ice cream. Okay viewers, so that brings an end to my little portion of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow Instagram, social media, YouTube, all social media platforms. That'll do. Thank you. See you in the next one.